Hola, soy Ana, soy de Sevilla, España.
I am Michele, I am Italian.
Bravo! Hi! My name is Thai. I'm from Thailand.
My name is Bernardo, I'm from Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. You know what I'm saying?
Hi, how are you? I'm Ignacio from Argentina. I'm living in Maribor.
Hi, I'm Yoli. I live in Abu Dhabi.
My name is Jose Maria. I am from Peru, and today we will react to Nika Surhan.
Let's check it! Go!
Let's go.
¡Qué ganas de verano!
Oh, she look awesome on jet ski.
I like that rhythm. It's like a Latino for me, you know what I'm saying?
She's really beautiful.
I love the vibes.
Tiene una voz muy bonita.
Great voice. I don't understand any word, but
Cute. Wow.
Todo bem?
She has a beautiful voice, actually.
It's really, really good music. For summer, for sure I will listen it.
there's a beautiful place right there, not me?
¡Qué envidia! La piscina en el camión, yo quiero una.
It's a very different language, but it's cool.
I cannot start to dance.
What a beautiful landscape, eh?
Como me parece un pedazo de videoclip.
I don't know. I have to dance.
Oh, she can dance as well.
Really, the music makes me dance.
It's a nice video, okay? Very, very surprised.
Oh, there is also a little dance, nice.
Ahora quiero saber qué dice la letra.
How creative. How creative, eh?
Now I know why a lot of young girls in Slovenia feel in love on it. She really good.
I'm literally vibing, seriously. I don't know what she's saying, but
Great song. I like it.
Excellent. Guitarra.
Yes, Slovenia. I'm sure on the party, if we heard this song, everybody will have to dance. Really.
Great. She has a great voice, not me?
Es una canción súper pegadiza. Repite tanto la estrella que es muy guay. Es muy fácil de aprendérsela. O sea, y yo no sé lo que dice.
Nika, bravo. Good job.
I'm really curious to find out what she's saying because it's Slovenian and I don't know.
Ahora quiero buscar la letra y ver qué dice porque me quedo con la gana.
What a good song and video to listen to and dance in the summer is incredible. My congratulations. Bye.